Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a video in which I will discuss how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in concrete. As in this, we have to let a volume of a concrete, and I am taking the volume 1 cubic meter, and we all know that in 1 cubic meter it is a wet volume of concrete, so I have to convert it into a dry volume. So I multiplied this 1 cubic meter into 1.54. You have to remember that whenever you want to convert the wet volume to dry volume, you have to multiply it by 1.54. So after multiplication, I got the answer 1.54 cubic meter. It is a dry volume of concrete. Okay, and no, I'm taking the grade of concrete M25. If you don't know about M25, I made a video on that too. You can check it on my description box. So I am taking the grade of concrete M25, and we all know that in M25 the cement, sand and aggregate ratio is 1:1:2, and in which one is cement and one is sand and two is aggregate. So first we have to add up all. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, so the sum is 4. So to calculate the cement, I have to take the dry volume, that is 1.54, into sum of that cement and aggregate, that is 4. So the answer is 0.385. It is in cubic meter. If I want to calculate in kgs, then I have to multiply it by 1.54, same 1 by 4 to 1440. And if you don't know about this 1440 is the density of cement. Is the density of cement. Answer will be that is 554. Calculate the how many bags it requires, then it's simply that 554.4 divided by 50, and this 50 is that in one bag there is 50 kgs of cement, so I've just divided by 50. So the answer I got is 11.1 bags. And if I want to convert into CFT, simply I have to multiply the cubic meter into cubic feet. If you don't know how to convert the cubic meter to cubic feet, it is a formula, that is, so simply multiply 0.385 into 35.3147. I got an answer 13.60 CFT. So it is all about the cement. I cover all those, that is in cubic meter, kgs, bags and cubic feet. And if I talk about sand, if I want to calculate the cubic meter, that is simply is 1.54, that is the dry volume, multiplication by 1 by 4, I got answer 3.85 cubic meter. And if I want to know about kgs, simply 1.54, 1 by 4 and 1450. And it is the density of sand. The density of sand varies from 1450 to 1650. So I just taken 1450. So just by multiplication I got answer 558.25. And if I want to calculate about the CFT, it is simple that I whatever the answer I got in cubic meter, I have just to multiply it by 35.3147. So I got an answer 13.60 CFT. So, and if I talk about aggregate, so we know although that cement is 1 and sand is 1 and 2 is aggregate, so I have to take 2. So 154 is the dry volume that we have calculated here. 1 into 1.54 is a dry volume, and 2 is the I just divided by 4. So I just divided by 4, I got answer 0.677 cubic meter. And if I want to calculate it into the kgs, then I have to just multiply 1.54 into 2 by 4 into 1500. I have just taken the density 1500. It also varies from place to place. So just check in your site which type of density you are taking. So I'm just taking 1500. So the answer is 1155 kgs. And if I want to calculate in CFT, then simply I have to multiply 0.77 into 353147, 35.3147. You have to note it down. And if I want to calculate the water cement ratio, and I'm taking this 0.50 water cement ratio. What is this water upon that is cement equals to 0.50. So after cross multiplication, we don't know about water, and cement will go there, is equal to water equal to 0.50 multiplication by cement, and water is the we don't know yet, and the 0.50 is this, and cement we have calculated the cement in kgs, that is 554.4 kgs. So I just multiplied by 0.50. I got an answer to 77.2 kgs. So it means that 1 kg is equal to 1 liter. So it means that it requires 277.2 liters of water. And so this is all about this video. Thank you guys.